Hello India Glitz viewers, Kirti is right back and inniki I have a very young beautiful heroine who is growing prettier day by day and in fact she is one kind of person who hasn't done much movies in Tamil but அவங்க பண்ண எல்லா படங்களுமே சூப்பர் டூப்பர் ஹிட் ஆன மூவிஸ். Yes, I'm talking about Taapsee Pannu. Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you so much, Kirti. It was a lovely introduction. I'm already so overwhelmed. And thank you, India Glitz. I mean, I read the reviews that you've given for Kanchana too. And thank you for mentioning me so beautifully in the reviews. Thank you.
The pleasure is ours totally. So now let's start off with Kanchana itself because it is a super duper hit.
Yes.
And it was a surprise package from you for all of us because you've done a very cute girl next door character.
Yes,
From
I
that
have.
it was a total different kind of Taapsee that we saw. So tell us about your experience in the movie. How difficult was it? I'm sure it was difficult.
It was difficult, and I don't think you anyway get success easy.
Right.
Especially, it's a different feeling when you get such a huge blockbuster in a movie where you are not just standing next to the hero and dancing or smiling and just doing the regular stuff. This is like something which it will take time for me to sink this in, that you have when you work so hard for 2 years and you are not just doing the regular cliche stuff, and that movie emerges as a big success. It's first time for me to see that, and I think it's a rare thing for the industry also to see, when usually we are used to having blockbusters in which the heroines are probably just there for the sake of being there. So this is an achievement. I think this is a landmark movie in my career.
How did this opportunity actually come by your way? Because Kanchana, Lawrence sir and his Ghost Kanchana series is like really popular, and you should have seen the crowd these days, how it is. And this is the third sequel as well. So how did it dawn upon you?
It's 110% credit to Lawrence sir. I don't even take 1% credit for whatever I've done in this movie, because I didn't have a belief that I can do this movie to begin with. I told Lawrence sir the first time I went to hear the script, sir, I don't want to do this. I don't think I can do this. He's like, at least hear the script once. I said, sir, it's too big a responsibility what you expecting me to do without even hearing the script. When he told me a brief, I said, sir, I think it's little too much for me to do, and I'm not very sure if audience will accept me like that and all. He's like, trust me, just come and hear the script. When I heard the script with an intention to say no, after hearing the script, I was like, sir, can you give me a little time? And that little time extended up to almost 1 or 2 months. Because I was still very in double minds. He said, don't worry, trust me. And on that trust, 2 years back, I began this journey. And purely on that trust, we are seeing this day to day. Be it my dance, look, acting, whatever is there in the movie, it's only his, his imagination and what he wanted me to do. I just executed what he wanted to do. Everything was his.
Honestly tell you, after watching the movie, I was stunned. Because comparing Adigalam and Arambam, I think I was like, was it really Taapsee? Dupe potrukangla? And the level I really started thinking. So the shots where you were supposed to be dragged and all that. Did you do it all?
Yeah, I did it myself. There was no dupe. I don't like, first of all, doing a dupe unless and until it's something which can actually hurt me a lot. So Lawrence always used to ask me, you tell me if you are comfortable, okay. If you're not, if you have little doubt also, I have a dupe ready on standby. I will use that dupe. But I think 99% of shots I did myself, unless until something was really risky and sir was not sure of it. He didn't let me do those things. So most of the things I tried doing myself only.
Brilliant. And dancing along with Lawrence, I think that is one of the biggest tasks anybody can do. So how was that experience?
I'll tell you, he selected me because he saw one of my songs in Telugu where he liked my dancing style. That's how he selected me. But he didn't let me do that kind of dance. He didn't make me do any heavy dance movement. That song Vaya Veera in the movie, which is barely any dancing, also took a lot of effort from me. You won't believe, to do those small graceful movements like how sir would want me to do or how he himself does it. it was not difficult to achieve that also. I had like really, nightmares and trouble stressing out doing those small movements also, because it was so beautiful and so easy to look at. But when you do those things with those expressions and that body language, it, trust me, even that was tough.
Okay.
That much perfectionist this man is.
Which was one of the most difficult scenes that you ever handled in Kanchana?
I think the most difficult scene was the first time when I get possessed. So the first shot that I gave, that was difficult. Then the shot in which I'm smoking is difficult because I've never smoked in my life.
Okay.
So that first time, I didn't even know how to light a cigarette. So that lighting a cigarette shot took some 25 takes, because every time I used to try lighting it, something else used to happen. Like my hair will get burnt. Or the smoke will go in my eyes so I can't see.
Okay.
So I have like 25 retakes for that, just lighting the cigarette shot. So I couldn't get that right. But acting wise, if you ask me, the most difficult and my favorite scene, how it turned out to be in the movie, was the first time when I come in half sari, in that Ganga's get up, in just pre-climax time before the flashback starts. The first time when this audience sees me in half sari, that really was difficult to do, because there were so many emotions you had to make audience feel. You have to make them you have to get them scared.
Right.
So there were so many elements in that, and that was probably my favorite and the most difficult scene. Difficult scene.
Brilliant. And your makeup, I think that is one of the most important things that we have to talk about.
Yeah.
So how was that, and how long did it take for you?
Once I got possessed, shooting those portions, it used to take 2.5 hours every day, because I had to either color myself head to toe in a darker complexion, or I had to color myself in a white stick with all those cracks on my face.
Right.
So either of those used to take like 2.5 hours.
Oh my god.
You see, either they call me white, but even I had to do that white makeup also used to take time. Then because I'm white, the black makeup used to take so much time. So nothing is easy, trust me. White complexion is not that fancy thing. Trust me, it's not that happy feeling to be so white.
I so understand when you were expressing that. Okay, so tell me, you as a person, Taupsee as an individual, is scared of ghosts?
I'm extremely scared of ghosts since childhood. There's nothing that has happened to me that instance wise that I remember because of which I'm scared. But I don't know, I have always been scared of ghosts. I've never been able to sleep alone. It's only now that I travel and work that I have to sleep alone in hotels. But in my entire life, even when I go back home, me and my sister have always slept on the same bed. I can't sleep alone. I have this very big fear. And in fact, I'm so scared that even if I sleep next to someone, I need to keep my hand on the person or my leg on the person to make sure I feel that there's someone. So I'm very scared in real.
And now about your successful Hindi movies. I think you've been venturing into very successful Bollywood career.
Yeah.
So how happy are you about that?
I think I'm in my happiest state of life right now. My personal life or professional life, everything has been going really great. I might not be probably the most sought after kind of a heroine or maybe the top heroine, and I don't even want to be in that race, because the niche which I wanted to set for myself as probably the only actress who's working, equally good in all the three industries, has been accepted equally well in all the three industries, which is a rare feat to achieve. And who is doing movies where audience are realizing the importance of her character and she's not just any other heroine in the movie. I think that was what I wanted. I wanted my audience to come in theatre thinking, if Taupsee has done this movie, then there must be something interesting about the movie and they should go and watch it for my sake. That is the day when I'll feel that, I have accomplished my goal in my career.
And your future movies?
Tamil? In Tamil, I have signed next movie opposite Jay in director Thiru's movie. Again, it's going to be very, very good script, because my choice is not dependent upon any one factor apart from the director and the script. My character is going to be different again. It's going to be a village girl this time. I had a long break in Telugu as well. It's been 2 years. I haven't signed anything in Telugu. But now eventually I have found something interesting in Telugu which I'm going to announce very soon in like a few weeks as and when I sign it. In Hindi as well, I have one release ready for this summer, runningshadi.com, and I have another one ready to go on floor that's called Agra Ka Dabra. So pretty much all the three industries are keeping me occupied.
Brilliant. So you're all booked and hands
Yeah.
full for the year.
Yeah.
That sounds really good. Okay, so thank you so much. I still have so many questions to ask, but I know you're busy and you have a lot more schedules to do.
Or maybe
But
some other time. I would
Yes.
love to answer your questions.
we'll catch up some other time
Yeah.
and we'll talk a lot more.
Okay.
But for now, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I wanted to compliment you in the beginning. Okay, is this a jumpsuit or a gown?
It's a jumpsuit.
Jumpsuit. It looks really pretty and
Thank
you look really cute in it. Okay?
Thank you so much.
And yes, do you want to say something to our India Glitz audience?
Yes, to all my viewers, to all India Glitz viewers, thank you so much for having patience to wait for my movies. It's been 4 years, only 4 movies, but you still give me stupendous openings. So I don't think I can ask for anything more, but just continue this support, continue believing in me. Have faith that if I'm going to do something, I'll be slow, but I'll give you something good. So just have that trust in me.
That was brilliant. I think of all the interviews I've taken all these years, nobody has given such a nice thing to their audience. So
Yeah, thank you so much.
thank you so much and all the very best for all your movies.
Thank you.
Alright, India Glitz viewers, today the interview with Taapsee, I'm sure you loved it. If you want to get any news related to cinema, then the only stop for you is indiaglitz.com. Until I'm back, Tara, take care, bye-bye.